Okay, so in this video we will be uploading our Angular application on the Vercel. So you just need to create an account on your Vercel app and then just add one project. For me, I have given the access for 2 repository. If you want to give access, if you don't find your repository, you can just go to and give permission. For me, I have, then you can go to the apps and then there are repositories. You can select whatever repository you want to give access. For me, I want to go with the newly app I created. This one I'll go, and because I created this application using NX, so I will be probably configuring some of the commands. Yeah. For me, this one, and then root directory. For this one, I will be using npx NX raw dashboard. For this, I think it should be inside my dashboard. Yeah, obviously for this one, npmi ci and npmci. I don't have any environment variables, so I can just reply and I'll show you the code that I've created. So this one contains few commits. These are the commits, and I created one tag for it. This one. In this project, I have some apps. There are 2 apps. This one is the host app and this one is remote app, and then I have like few library projects. For me, I created interface, state, style and utility. Let's see how it goes. So on the Vercel you can configure multiple things. For me, I have one storybook app and one Angular app. You can set your integrations domain if you want to have users monitoring. I have the OP subscription. I don't have the subscription. This one is the default plan. Let's see. This one is status is ready. So for Vercel, they give you nice preview of your application, and you can just go to, like, you can open the app. Yeah. So this one, for some reason the remote app is not working. I'll see why it's not working. So that's all for the tutorial.